Welcome back, friends. Now again I have uploaded another educational video of class 10 CBSE. This time we are going to discuss geography, lifelines of Indian economy. So this is chapter 7th of class 10. So we have different materials and services in our daily life. Some of these are available in our immediate surroundings, but other requirements are met by bringing the required goods from other places. Like basically, we transport the required goods from one place to another place. Here indirectly we can tell that the place which is producing the particular goods has to be transported. The goods had to be transported from the area of supply to the area of demand. This is what the NCERT textbook tells us. So, goods and services do not move from supply locations and to demand locations on their own, right? So, the movement of these goods and services from supply location to the demand location necessitates the need for transportation. So this is a clear-cut introduction which we can give for the necessities of Indian transportation. How Indian transportation have been backbone of our economy? Did you remember, friends? In previous chapter we just studied about manufacturing industries, which is secondary sector. Now in this lesson we are just going to study about transportation and different ways in which transportation takes place. Do you know the transportation is tertiary sector, and it is the basic thing which we have learned from many years, right? So these are known as traders who make the products come to the consumers by transportation. So traders are the people who are responsible to get the products from the supply location to the demand location. And the process is known as tradeship, right? So thus the pace of development of the country depends upon the production of the goods and services as well as their movements over space. Logically, if you see, industries or manufacturing sector needs raw materials in order to manufacture their product, and this raw material is to be transported from the supply location to the demand location which we are talking now. So without transportation, is it possible for the movement of raw materials? No, right? So first transportation sector should be developed, and then our and our manufacturing sector also will become developed automatically, right? So one more point of view, if you see, secondary and tertiary sector contributes in development of primary sector. I have discussed these points in detail in my previous videos, so no need to explain it again, right? Right. Okay. Movement of these goods and services can be over three important dominants of Earth, that is land, water, and air. Based on this, transport can also be classified into land, water, and air, right? So this can be one of the important question in the board. So means of transportation are divided into land, water, and air. So in this